Yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a performance done by Love Bites. These females are some of my favorite bands player of all times, and I'm happy to go ahead and give my next reaction towards this song. It's called Holy War and it's live in Zepp Driver City, Tokyo. The last time this was done was 2020. So, guys, without further ado, let's dive in. Let's see what these wonderful female have to perform for us at this point. Peace. Yo, 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 they are insanely good. They are insanely good. This is a very beautiful bands. I mean, like, they're all females and they are doing so greatly. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is a phenomenon, bro. Wow. Wow. That was enjoyable. That was enjoyable. That was a shocker. Yeah. Yeah, that was really good, bro. That was really good. That was quite something I enjoyed. Music is so good, bro. Especially when you're feeling the music. And yet again, you guys enjoy this reaction. Don't forget, like, I always keep on reminding you all, if you guys want some more reactions, feel free to react. Right? So, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this reaction, I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace.